हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 100 हिस्ट्री वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखनी है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सन टेम्पल एट कोनराक वॉज बिल्ट बिटवीन, आंसर इज 1238 to 1264. The Sun Temple at Konark consisted of Jagmohan and Mata Mandir. Who built Jagannath Temple at Puri? Answer, Anantvarman Chandgangdev. Ananta Vasudev Temple in Bhubaneswar was built by, answer is Chandrika Devi. In which year Kala Pahada invaded Odisha? Answer is 1567. Suleiman Karani invaded Odisha in, answer 1568. Who wrote Mathura Mangala? Answer is Bhakta Charan Das. The last indigenous ruler of ancient Odisha? Answer is Mukunda Dev. Which is termed as Diamond Triangle in Odisha archaeology? Answer, Lalitgiri, Udaygiri, Ratnagiri. Who is the founder of Nanda dynasty? Answer, Mahapadmananda. The capital city of Ashoka's Kalinga was, answer, Tosli. Great Kalinga War was fought in the year, answer is 261 BC. Who became the governor of Odisha after it became a permanent part of Mughal Empire? Answer, Raja Man Singh. Which of the following year Odisha was passed into the hands of Marathas? Answer, 1751. Last Muslim governor of Odisha? Answer, Mir Saleh. In which year Dutch first settled in Odisha? Answer, 1625. When Tisang visited Odisha during the reign of? Answer is Harshvardhan. Number of caves in Khandigiri 3 Udaygiri is? Answer is 50. When did Sultan Firuz Shah Tughlaq invaded Odisha? Answer, 1361 DC. Jayadev's Gita Govinda was written during the? Answer is Gangal dynasty. Kalinga War has been mentioned in Ashoka's? Answer, 13th Rock Edict. Kharavela the Great belongs to? Answer, Chedi dynasty. What was the capital of Kharavela's kingdom? Answer is Kalinga Nagari. In which year Chinese pilgrim Huan Tisang visited Odisha? Answer is 369 AD. 639 AD. In which year Dutch first settled in Odisha? 1625. Where did the Dutch find their first settlement in Odisha in the 17th century? Answer is Pipli, Balasore. Where did the East India Company set up their first factory in Odisha? Harispur. Who introduced Ekta system? Iltutmish. The height of the Jagannath temple from road level? Answer is 65 meters. Author of Kesava Koili is Markananda Das. Sri Chaitanya came to Odisha during the reign of Gajapati, Pratapudra Deva. Chaitanya died in the year 1533 AD. Who was the Governor General of Bengal when the Odisha captured coastal Odisha? When British captured coastal Odisha? Answer is Wellesley. In which year the British shifted the headquarters of the Odisha division to Cuttack? 1816. The historic Paika rebellion took place in the year 1817. The name of first printing press by an Odia is Katak Printing Press. When did the British occupy the coastal Odisha for administrative convenience? 1803. British established one of their oldest factories in India in the year 1633 at which place in Odisha? Harispur. In which year British occupied Masulipatam? 1759. In which year British captured coastal Odisha? 1803. Founder of Braham Samaj? Rama Mohan Roy. Famous Mudra Rakshas written by Vaisakha Datta. Newspaper Samaj was started in 1919. Mahatma Gandhi visited Odisha first in the year 23rd March 1921. The Delhi Sultan who transferred the capital from of Delhi to Daulatabad was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Founder of slave dynasty Qutubuddin Aibak. Battle of Panipat was fought in 1556 AD. Babarnama was written by Babur. When Swaraj Party was formed in Odisha is 1923. Weekly Prajatantra was started in 1923. The Inchudi Satyagraha began on 6 April 1930. In which year Jawaharlal Nehru visited Odisha? 1936. Who founded Utkal Printing Press? Gauri Shankar Roy. Founder of Prathna Samaj? Atmarao Pandurang. Founder of Arajya Samaj? Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Founder of Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Which princely state was the first to merge with Odisha? Nilagiri or Nilgiri. Bajirao, the youngest murderer of freedom struggle, was shot dead by the British police in the answer 1938. In which year Rabi Rai elected as Speaker of Lok Sabha? 1989. In which year Odisha Sahitya Academy Award was established? 1957. In 1911, the capital of India, Cuttack, was shifted to? Answer is Delhi. The Salt Satyagraha was commenced in Odisha under the leadership of Gopabandhu Chaudhary. When Salt Satyagraha was started? 6 April 1930. Odisha became separate province on 1st April 1936. Iram, the historic village, is situated at present district of Bhadrak. Lakshman Nayak, the firebrand freedom fighter from Odisha, was hanged by the British in the year 29th March 1943. Who wrote Bhagavad Gita, a masterpiece in Odia literature? Answer is Neelkant Das. The father of modern prose is Fakir Mohan Senapati. Who was the Mughal emperor to have lifted the jizya on Hindus? Akbar. Who gave the title Utkal Mani to Gopabandhu Das? Prafulla Chandra Roy. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? Rabindranath Tagore. Satyabadi Bana Vidyalaya, a creation of Pandit Gopabandhu Das, was formed in 1909 in Puri. Who wrote Akbarnama? Abul Fazl. Who introduced Deen-e-Ilahi? Akbar. Who wrote Humayunama? Gulbadan Begum. Third Battle of Panipat was fought between Maratha and Afghans. In which year Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab received the Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award for his essay collection Gan Majlis 1983. Who was the Prime Minister of England when Odisha became a separate province? Stanley Baldwin. The first English daily New Odisha printed from Asa Press, Birhampur, was published by Shashi Bhushan Rath. After independence, first governor of Odisha, Kailash Nath Katju. Which place is termed as blood pilgrimage, Imak or Bhadrak? Who is considered as the first political murderer of Odisha? Jairaj Guru. Mahima Dharma was preached by Mahima Gosen. Who is the founder of the Bhoi dynasty? Govinda Vaidyadhara. The first printing press of Odisha was set up by the missionaries in the year 1837. Who was the first woman to be elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly? Sarla Das Devi. Which place is known as Soma Tirtha in Odisha? Ranipur, Jarial, Balangiri. Gauri Shankar Roy established first printing press in 1866. In which year Mihir Sen of Odisha crossed the famous English Channel? 1958. First Battle of Panipat was held in 21st April 1526. Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Who is the founder of the Mughal Empire? Babur. Battle of Chausa was fought between Humayun and Sher Shah Suri. Purushottam Khetra of Odisha, Puri. Which rock is used to build the Konark Sun Temple? Khondalite. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Suleiman Karani. Father of Odia language, Fakir Mohan Senapati. Odisha Lalit Kala Academy established in 1959. Who headed the Famine Commission in 1866? George Campbell. In which year Odia language got classical status by Government of India? 2014. Nandakanan Zoological Park was established in 1916. तो यहाँ पे 100 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होता है। अब आपको 2 क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं। फर्स्ट, which one of the major rivers of Odisha does not have delta at its mouth? And second question is, who among the following became the first murderer and Shaheed of Odisha during British regime? वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए। चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब किए बगैर मत जाइएगा ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।